Cass and this is my channel, Comfy Foods by Cass. I am making egg-free sugar cookies. For the egg-free sugar cookies, we need 125 milliliters of butter or margarine, half a cup of white sugar, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a quarter teaspoon baking soda, a quarter teaspoon salt, 3 tablespoons of milk of your choice, and we need to preheat our oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Let's begin making the egg-free sugar cookies. The first thing we need to do is cream the butter and the sugar. So let's add that into our mixing bowl and we are going to whisk it with a mixer. Add your sugar and on low setting you're going to cream your butter and your sugar together. When it's nice and creamy, add in the rest of your wet ingredients. So we're going to add our 3 tablespoons of milk. I'm using full cream milk. The vanilla extract, the baking soda, and a quarter teaspoon of salt, and lastly your all-purpose flour or cake flour. Okay, and now we are going to mix it with our hands or with a spatula. The mixture is very soft. Okay, so that is done. Now we can make it into balls and place them on a baking sheet. I'm going to coat the baking tray or sheet pan with some spray and cook or bake and cook spray. Let us make our balls. I'm going to take with a tablespoon. We will take some of the cookie dough and make it into a ball. Roll it with your fingers in the palm of your hand. It looks like the size of a walnut, almost, and then we place it on the tray. You flatten it out as well. So with the back of the spoon, you can flatten out your cookie. Let's do the next one. Roll it out once again. Get your shape, flatten it. You can even flatten with your hand. So I'm going to complete it on my tray and then we will bake it after that. So this is the first batch of my cookies. I am going to put it into the oven now. The oven light has just gone off, so let's bake it in the oven. Okay, it needs to be baked for plus minus 10 minutes until it's light brown. The timer just went off, so let's remove the cookies from the oven. This is how the cookies look. I am using superfine or baker's sugar and dusting over the warm sugar cookies. The superfine or baker's sugar is also called caster sugar in some parts of the world. There you have it. These are my egg-free sugar cookies. I hope you enjoyed viewing this video on my channel, Comfy Foods by Kat.